Good morning, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. Today I'm working on week 35 of Margarete Miller's collage assignments. I need an old receipt or ledger fragment, and I have a whole book of ledger paper. So I'm going to use a page from that as half of my background. An animal with hooves is a giraffe here that I have. A piece of wrapping paper. I've got a couple of different wrapping paper books that I will have be the other half of the background. And then I need an image of a candle or a lantern, and I have this candle, but I don't kind of like that it's as big as the giraffe. I've got little pumpkin lanterns, and I've got these lanterns, which I could like cut out just this one, but I think I'm leaning towards the pumpkin lanterns, but I want to cut them out better. And I also need something that you leave behind, which I don't know what that is. What do you usually leave behind? A purse. Sometimes you leave your purse behind. Your wallet, I don't know. Your phone? Maybe you forget your phone. And then the bonus is italicized text. So I'm either going to find something we leave behind, or I'm going to find something with italicized text, but I'm wondering which one's going to be harder. There we go. Yeah, not feeling this, not feeling that. So these are going to go out of the way. I need to pick a wrapping paper. I think the marbled paper is going to be maybe too wild. I don't know. And then the rest is Van Gogh, and I was leaning kind of towards this. Yeah, I'm leaning more towards this. So I think even this will stand out against that, but like, I don't know. It kind of blends in with this, and I think it would blend in with most of them. Maybe not the marbled paper, though. Anyway, oh, let's see. This probably would blend in, but I don't know. Maybe not. I'm still leaning towards that one. Let's see what he looks like against some of the marbled papers. And he kind of blends into that. I kind of like this. Mixed with the old ledger paper, that might be interesting. So I think I will take a piece of that. And I'm going to cut out these pieces or tear them, probably tear them, and then we'll see what else I can come up with for the last one or two items. Alright, so this is going to be my background. My little giraffe is going to go here, my pumpkins are going to go there, and this is the thing that the giraffe leaves behind. And I'm just going to hang this bag around the giraffe's neck. So that's everything except for the italicized text, which I'm not going to use. So I just kind of have to glue everything down, and that's the end of this one. I hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe. And doing well. Get some glue down here. I have to put my ledger paper down first. Probably don't really need as big of a piece as I thought, though, because I don't want to waste it all. I think if I I guess I might as well. It's not that much wasted. But I have to say that those ledgers are not cheap. I got mine at an estate sale. There. And this was going to go here. I think I might ink this edge up a little bit. Just to, I don't know, give it a little zhuzh. Maybe I'll ink all the way around, actually. I was wondering if I really need that little bit at the top, but I feel like I do. So this is going to go here, like that. I wonder if the giraffe would look better like this, but then we won't see his hooves. So I guess not. Need another little piece of scrap paper to glue this on. It's rather chilly here today. We had a really nice day yesterday, and we went for a hike, and I saw pink spotted touch-me-nots. I've never seen, well, I saw them in this spot before. I've never seen them anywhere else before. So I thought maybe they were rare. I looked it up. They're not rare. I don't know why I've never seen them anywhere else, but they are not rare. Now this piece, I think, oh, I'm going to need a bigger piece. Well, let's see. Is that big enough? Oh gosh. I think I messed that up. Apparently I did. I need to get my book back out. Where is it? Luckily, it's right behind me. And I just need to cut off another little piece. Make sure it's big enough. Okay, so okay. Oh my gosh. It's still not big enough? The little piece right there. That works. Let's just kind of cut that there. I can't believe I did that twice. I screwed up. There. And that will go just like that. Okay. I can trim it off later. Alright, let's get this back on there properly. Okay, and I forgot to ink that side up. I was going to ink it, and I totally forgot. Oh well. Okay. We have a Native American museum about 45 minutes away, and they're having a festival tomorrow, so we're going to go to that. That should be fun. Okay. And he's going right there. This one might be a little hard to get. Oops. We don't need that gluing on there. Alright. I want to make sure this doesn't move around too much. So let's just get the back of this guy very gently because skinny legs and skinny tails and skinny horns and ears get ripped off really easily. Then I'm going to put this back on and kind of try to hold it in place. And okay, I think that'll do. These go in there. All right, that looks pretty good. And now, whoops, there's no glue on this part. And now my pumpkins. Oop. My pumpkin lanterns. Okay, and there is my Margarete Miller's assignment number 34, an old receipt or ledger paper, an animal with hooves, a piece of wrapping paper. This is a lantern with a candle in it. There's 2 of them. Something we leave behind is our purse or our bag. And that is it for me. Thanks so much for watching. And hopefully we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.